Okay, Gus, show me how big you are. Show me, Gus.
Gussie, come here. Here, Mike.
Come here, come here, come here, Gus. Come here. There you are. There you are. Hey, Gus. You see how big you are? You see how big you are?
You should have put a tree down. I would have did whatever you said.
See?
Gussie, up here. Up.
Up. There you are, Gus. Show how big you are. There you are, Gus. You're such a good boy. There you are.
What's your thing?
There you're going. Oh, that's Toby. Come here, Toby. I have to show you too. You know. This is Toby. Lelita, este es Toby, okay? Toby, come here. Show your face. Muestra la carita, Toby. Muestra la cara, Toby. Muestra la cara, muestra la cara. Este es Toby, ¿ves? Este es Toby. There you are. Vamos, Toby. Vamos.
Where are you ready, Squirrely? You want to go get Squirrely?
Ve, Lelita, este es Toby. Mira cómo le gusta que le haga la panza. Mira, mira, mira. Eso. Toma, toma. There you are. There you are. There you are.
See you guys later.
See you later.
Too bad you can't watch Santa.
Well, I watch basketball this
Tell
night.
me, senor, about life.
I hope you're not recording me.
Huh?
I hope you're not recording me.
No, it's not being recorded.
Oh, I don't know. I got one for you. Life sucks.
Why?
Hmm?
Why it sucks? You're right, life sucks, but isn't that the way it's supposed to be? Who told you it's gonna be fair?
I have no idea, Mr. K.
Okay, I thought
I don't like being interviewed.
you're not being interviewed, okay?
What do you call it?
Friends talking about
Recording.
bullshit. This is what we do every day, okay? This is what we do every day. So this is not a recording. This is just,
Just shooting the breeze. Huh?
BSing and helping each other.
Mr. K, I don't know. Life is confusing. It's not meant to be figured out.
Nobody knows what life is all about.
No.
Nobody knows.
No. And once you're here, you got to deal with it.
Yeah. There is no way out.
There's no way out. Then they scare the crap out of you. If you take your own life, you're going straight to hell anyway.
Absolutely.
It's like a scare tactic. Why would you want to do anything like so? I don't know.
That's another dog, used to be a friend of mine. This is not Poco Perro, right?
Right.
What's his name?
Patches.
Patches. Come here, Patches. Come here, Patches.
Close enough, huh?
You're gonna be famous, Patches, okay? Mira, Lelita, qué chiquito ese perrito. Mira, mira, mira lo que es. Hey, Patches.
Come on, we're going this way.